So, and here the hand, basically head, torso, pelvis. From pelvis always start the leg. Suppose to if human characters, uh, skeleton, it is like this. Okay, no need to draw. I just explain this what is happening. As human characters looks like this. The skull is going like this, and here is a spinal cords. This is the basically how original character. I make this little semi-realistic character, but original, if you want to see, okay, what's happening. This is like this. Another hand also this side also like this. This is the skull skeleton. But the when I so it is very important to understand the head, torso, pelvis, and the shoulder bone and the pelvis bone. So then you can understand how to create. So if you are clear idea of these things, it is very easy. So my drawing is ready. Now I have to draw with by using marker. If you also can using today using marker or pen for this character design.
Sir, is brush pen okay?
I can use the brush pen also. I'm using pen for today. So first basic tone and then creating character. Okay. So I'm using brush pen for this.
Sir, what should we do the?
The basics.
What should we do here?
Basic is done, right? This is basic is done.
Yeah.
Okay. So now after the basic, I start the character design over there. Okay. I tell this is character which is very famous in Japanese studio. It's called the Ghibli studio.
Yes.
It's called the Ghibli studio. So we are creating the character like this. After the basic tone is done, you can create. Okay. Whatever I do, I just in this texture I create the characters. Okay. So this is a character. So today try to use a pen, but the basic drawing you should draw with the pencil. The final drawing using the pen. So it's easily visible that both part, the basic part and as well the all lines not straight, little ups and down. You can see I make little bit of like this kind of. Okay, so you can use this kind of line, not making the straight. Ghibli studio, the lining is very important. Sometime line you can break like this, not straight line. You have to little bit of ups and down. Like if I make it bigger then like this, and it's also like this. Like this. So we can maintain that line. Okay, line also very important for this particular studios art character design. This is some animation studio, so they are creating lots of famous animations movie.
But can you show line of action again?
Yes, beta. I do
Like
the
basic drawing.
yeah basic. Yes, beta. Yes,
The
yes.
part.
Yes, basic part is very simple. So head, torso, the line of action like this. Okay, pelvis. So this is shoulder bone, this is the pelvis bone. So here make the basic line like this. Okay, like this little bit of, see, this is like this, so it's also like this, and another legs is there, it is like this, basic, little far from this leg because it's another leg, and the hand is coming like this, very basic. Okay, so
Sir, sir,
hello, how are you?
sir, I'm good. Sir, we have to do anything?
Yeah, we are going to do with the pen, or if you have a brush pen you can use brush pen. So today,
Sir, we can use it watercolor.
not watercolor, it is a brush pen only, but
Sir,
it's,
micro,
sorry beta,
micro.
I'm not understand beta.
Sir, we can use it micro.
Yeah, it's like a brush, but it's a pen, like I'm using the pen. This brush is very small. You can see.
What is
Okay, this is some uh, idiot character. Character number one. I make lots of character, so this is number one. Okay, this is the line quality. Line should be not like a straight line like this. Okay, so if you want to make leg, don't do leg like this. It's like this, little bit of like this line.
Sir, should we rub the line, like pencil line?
After that, we should drop the pencil line. When your drawing is,
Yes, sir.
yes, when your drawing is complete, then you can erasing the pencil line.